Hello, everybody. This is Simon. Welcome to the late night show with Simon W.Y. Huang. Okay, so today what I'm going to talk about is going to be a super cool tool. Now, it's it's awesome. I can't believe that people don't know about this, and people use this particular tool quite much, almost every single day, every single second. And what does that tell you? Okay, so it's something that's very valuable. It's something that you have to use it every single day. It's something that if you don't use it, you frick. All right, I'm just gonna spell it out to you. It's not Facebook, sorry. It's email, and email has been part of our life for many years, and I do think that as any sort of business, you need to know how to capture people's email. And of course, email is gold to any businesses. So today, what I'm going to show you is the best email capture tool there is on the market right now. It is called Sumo. Yeah, the Sumo, the big guys, sumo wrestler, the Japanese wrestler that eats really big, really large amount of food. Anyways, there's a plugin or a program, a software that's named themselves Sumo. So what it does is it captures a lot of emails in various different ways. So I'm gonna show you step by step on how I can actually install it and how you can use this at different scenario and capture different people's email. You can actually analyze your data as well. It does a lot of things than just capture email, and I'll show you how we can do it. So let's go and go on to go to screen 2, and let's go. We're at Google. So what we're gonna do is, okay, can you guys see? All right, hold on. Okay, so Google. What we need to do is go into my affiliate link. So it's https://simonwyhuang.com/sumo, which I have included in the description below. And you can definitely use it. It won't cost you anything extra. And if you guys do sign up and use this tool and buy it at the end, I will personally walk you through on how to install it and everything. And that's a promise. All right, so once you get into this link, you just click on it, simonwyhuang.com/mo. And now you're going to this site. So I already have it installed, but if you want to install it, just click on that new site, type in your email, type in your site URL, which is the domain name, and then you'll get into here. So actually, let me delete everything. I'll show you. Yes, really. Delete. Okay, now I don't have anything. Let's add new site. It will tell you that, okay, you can use this, copy and paste the script to the head of your HTML. Or if you're using any of the following services, it says here, WordPress, Squarespace, Google Tag Manager, Shopify, which is awesome, e-commerce, Weebly and Tumblr and Blogger, they're free blogging platform, which a lot of people use Weebly. So for me, I'm using WordPress. So I can do it this way, click on it, or I can go into my link and copy to the head. And so what I can do is go into my website. So let's go into my website. You guys see my website, right? It's pretty awesome. So the head, basically installing HTML right now. So let's go in here. Okay. Where is it? Appearance. Go to GP hooks. Head should be before header. I think this is it. Let's try it out. Source code this that save hooks. If it doesn't work, I'll just do it. Okay, so manage. Does it work? Does it work? Does it work? Install code. Okay. Get the code. Yeah. Okay, it didn't install properly. So let's delete that. Let's do it old-fashioned way. Whatever they're suggesting. That sometimes mess up. No one's perfect. Okay, so let's go into here. And that. Okay, so now you can go in there. So what we need to do actually is to go to plugin and find Sumo. And I don't have that, so add new. Sumo, it will show up. Okay, free tools to automate your site growth. Very easy. A lot of people use it. Activate. So it's being activated. Let's click on that. And then click connect. And log in. Okay, so it should be good now. Okay, so of all these things, okay, so let's refresh this. It should be okay now. Yeah, active. Okay, so you do have to install the plugin. So the way to do it is, let's close this. Going to plugins, add new. Type in Sumo, S-U-M-O. And then install. And activate. Okay, so it's already activated. Let's go down there. Okay, so this is your dashboard for the Sumo. In here, it shows your statistic, your payment. So basically adding a credit card, account setting, email preference. So you can see if they want to, you want them to send you email. And the upgrade to Sumo Pro, which I'll be talking about later. It's very much worthwhile for small businesses like us, because unless you're willing to design furthermore of your like pop-up box or light box or welcome mat, those kind of things, which I'll show you, then just use that. Just use $29 per month. It's so cheap. Okay, so let's go in here and let's find out what apps that we can install. Hold on a while. So when you first install this, you can actually see, okay, I'm gonna skip that right now. You can actually see that they will suggest you for a few things. So first thing I would do is the list builder. The list builder, opt-in form. Did I create this? Oh, okay. This is the regular one, different color one. Pretty cool, huh? So you can choose any one that you like. So let's just choose the one that will match my website. So let's choose this one. That's the design. So you can look at the goal. The goal is I want to collect email, collect push notification, subscriber. Okay, so that's a pro feature. So push notification is when you go to the website, it will show up like a pop-up signs. That's called a push notification. A call to action. Call to action button is very useful. It's like when you click on it, it will basically get people to like you or something. So like that. That's basically making your own call to action button. And you can basically let it go direct to somewhere else. So like redirect to something else. Download content upgrade, request push. All these sort of things. They can be changed around. Pretty fun. Social share. See? Yeah. So I would definitely strongly suggest you to go through every single one on that. I'm just gonna go through really quickly what it is. So let's let me just take a look at what my notes is saying, what I need to do. I forgot what I need to do. Okay, let's just go with the flow. Oh, you can collect email address. Okay, so this is like if you want to make your own stuff. Okay, you know how to do HTML, or you have like MailChimp or like Drip or Active Campaign. Those email service provider, they have their own code. So you can just plug it in right in here. But right now, just click the collect email. Okay, don't do anything else. Form type, pop up, scroll box, which basically when you scroll, and then it will come out over here at the bottom right corner. Inline form is when you are writing your blog post, then you can basically just put this inside a blog post. Click trigger pop-up is basically, it's a pro feature, but what it does is when you click it, you will have this pop up, and that's basically a good way to do a landing page, which I'll show you later. Welcome mat. Do I want my old welcome mat? No, I don't want to. No. I had an account before, so let's forget about it. Smart bar. Okay, so this one you can put it anywhere that you like. But this is a great way to put in any sort of like email. But what I normally like to do is to use just the pop-up. Okay, so let's go with the pop-up. Let's go look at the design. I'll choose this one to a tab. Okay, so tab is over here. Subscribe. I don't personally like it. I don't like to take up too much space. Okay, don't. Best suggestion: the less space that you take up for your background image, the better it is. Okay, so let's take that off. Animation, you can do whatever you want. Roll runner, rotate. Oh god, it's okay. That's good enough. So you can do this. Holy crap! Large, too much. Yeah, medium is fine. Let's go to visibility. So right now it's on manual mode. I'm definitely thinking that this is smart mode is enabled to handle it. Okay, don't. So in here, you have two ways. One is the time. Usually set at 5 seconds. 5 seconds is better. And then anything to pop up for day, let's say 10 days. Usually, always have this. User leave, exit intent, pop up is so important. It catches people's attention. Okay, you can add new rules, but everything now just keep it basic. Okay, just keep it very basic. Once they are done, add email response. You can put in like content upgrade, coupon, welcome template, like all these things you can use. But most importantly is once they have this, you can redirect them to another URL. This is what you usually do in a landing page. which I'll show you later. Auto close, don't auto close. Just tracking pixel. So this is a more advanced version, but it's actually not too advanced. So basically, pixels are like little code that Facebook or Google is tracking. And if you go to any blog like this one, you see ad in the middle. Sometimes it'll show ad. Then that's the what the pixel. It will follow you. So it's great as a marketer or as any business to activate this because you will actually do a redirect ad. Basically, those sidebar app or the inside the content ad. It's what is in there. Okay, so upgrade to Pro. That's my suggestion. Email service. So I'm very much like to use Drip. You can also use MailChimp, what most people are doing. ConvertKit. This is very popular and very easy to use. Autoresponder. I use the harder one. Use Drip. Okay, so I always connect it. I should have this connected. Choose the account. Okay, so it's done. Don't push it to a campaign. Let's push it to a campaign. Disable double plugin tag. So test at test.com. Yeah, it went through. It works. So basically, this step is very important. You don't want to use the default email service provided by Sumo. You want to use your own favorite ones. And I gotta mention here, if you guys use an email, do not use a gmail.com because usually it will end up in like people's junk mail, spam mail, or update email, whatever. It's never gonna land in the proper inbox. So I would strongly suggest you to go to my link, which is down below. Is my affiliate link. You can get like 10% off of the Google G Suite, the professional level. Just pay $5. So it turned out to be $4 per month, and you'll get a free, not a free, but like a professional email that would usually not get bounced. And also, if you use the business plan from Google G Suite, it's unlimited everything, unlimited storage, everything. It's also HIPAA certified. Sorry, I think I was sick or something, but I still want to make this video for you guys. So make it live. Okay, so let's take a look. Okay, so let's test. Click here to create a test. Start testing. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, and that's it. Variant B. Oh, okay, so what I just did was called an A/B testing. Because you want to create like a variant. So let's change it around. Maybe you can use a different kind of color and see what it does. Different ones with image or like bigger image. Something that will match your brand. For me, I'm like a web design, so maybe use that. That's really ugly. Okay, whatever. I'm just gonna use this. Okay, so test variant. No, I do not want to use my B. I want to use. Okay, whichever way. Okay, I'm just checking Facebook. Okay, so let's go in and create welcome mat. Welcome mat is basically when you first log into when you guys first go into someone else's website, it'll pop in something like all the way from the top. Basically, it takes up space. It's annoying. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Like really depending on the trend. But people like Neil Patel use it. Like he's great. Sumo always use it. It's awesome. So to the design, so something is wrong. Mobile. Okay. Profession. Okay. That's not right. Call to action. Anyways, you get what I mean. So you just like, yeah, leave tab. So you can see like Sumo Pro is basically the tracking pixel. You gotta install it. Very useful. Advanced version. Don't touch that. Don't touch this. Even I have problem with that. Campaign. You can name your campaign. Campaign is basically the way that you install your email. Field. So you can put in your email, your name, variant name. Okay. So it's whatever you want them to put in. Usually just an email. Okay. Don't put anything else. Okay. So just save. Save. Yeah. Don't worry. And that's it. When they go into your website, it will appear. Let's see. In the latest builder, okay, fine. Sorry, import. Because I had a previously used this one, so like that's why it's like that's why they asked me to import, which is pretty annoying. Okay, so this is contact form. You don't have to activate it. I'll show you. I'll still show you. Today's point is just to activate everything. Okay. Design. This one. Contact form. You know what a contact form is, right? You go down to anybody's website. I probably don't have it in this one. Okay, I have it in this one. I designed my own contact form. I don't usually use this, but this is my contact form. And this is what they have. Where the hell is it? And you can do whichever template, like mail, fresh, tuft, glass, alert, or just default. Whichever one that you want. Okay, it will go all the way down to the bottom. Now I need to, yeah, let it leave. So this is where you're gonna send the messages. So anybody who's using that can go through this email that you provided. Usually you want to use the email that I suggested. Layout. Layout's where you can place it. You can actually like select here, delete it, put it again, delete it again. Pretty easy, right? Again, tracking pixel is upgrade to Sumo Pro. Display rule. Display rule. Don't show on homepage. That's it. Email. That's when you have all the emails sent coming in. It will go into here. Chat is called live chat. It's pro version. So like I would suggest you to use this if you know how to use this. What I mean by that is, you probably have to set up like a bot or something to help you answer questions. Otherwise, you have to be here like answering people's questions. Okay, so it is a pro version. So use it if you like. Okay, so social content, share button, actually. Share button, all-time click. Layout, see, this is pretty useful. Usually just put it over here. If it's in the blog post, you want to put it down below here. Override, enable this global setting. No, I don't want to. Inline sharing. Show on mobile. Type the name. Global bar. Oh, okay. So you can change all these things. Any kind of services that you want, Facebook, Twitter, services, so 5 different ones. You can change a lot of stuff. Like this is really cool tool. It basically combines everything that you need to collect email, to share. Like if you want to run a better blog or better website, get this tool. It does so much stuff. Mobile optimized, yes. So basically, what that means is that in the mobile, they would suggest you different things to put it as a button. So like text sharing, WhatsApp, email, Facebook, and Twitter is their suggested one. So I usually just follow their rule. Again, best practices: do not use that on your homepage. Do not ever use that on your homepage. So if I do that, just save. I'm gonna activate everything and just to show you, and then I'll do whatever I like. Make sure you connect it to your Facebook and Twitter if you have it. UDN tracking, pro version. Again, this is something like a pro marketer would use. UDN code, you just basically, it will show you where your visitor is coming from, and you are able to track it. And then in Google Analytics, which I hope you guys have installed already. If not, I'll show you how to install it over here. And then you can find out, okay, so which page is getting more sharing, which page is getting more like more traffic. Okay, so that's that. URL shortener. It's kind of useless. There's a lot of URL shortener. I can tell you a free one. I'll show you. Image share. This is a fun one. Image share is basically you have any image in your blog post and you want to share it, and you can do different ones. Like mostly, what is Yumly? I don't even know what Yumly is. But yeah, activate this. You'll love it. Basically, if you have Pinterest or Instagram and those sort of things, usually that's how it is. But they have Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest. I don't use Pinterest that much. I have the account. Does that make sense? Shortener again, display rules again, tracking again. That's the pro version. So now let's go to analytics. Analytics, subscriber status. It shows you, oh, have they subscribed it? Nothing. Nobody subscribed anything. I didn't activate it yet. So I talked about how to use Google Analytics before, but you can actually install Google Analytics here. Click now. Connect. When you click connect, it will pop up to your Google Analytics Google account. You click allow, and then select tracking ID, which is I hope you have created. And poo. Okay. Oh. Not bad. I have 633 for the last 7 days. Sessions, user, page view, everything's over here. So you don't have to actually go into your Google Analytics page. You can see, oh, which one's getting the most? Oh, I have like 269 views on this one. That's my landing page, by the way. Basically, that landing page provides you with all the tools, all the best tools, the 5 best tools I use, and I give it away for free. And basically, it'll look like this. Pretty, eh? Okay, let's go back. And then basically, you can know which popular pages is this. Most of the time, it is supposedly blog posts, but landing pages like that or homepage are usually very common. Thank you for downloading. That's my thank you page. After you submit this, you'll go into a landing page called a thank you page. Resources that will help you build your website easily. WordPress website, downtown Toronto. That's my homepage. Okay, so I have the homepage. So like sales funnel. A lot of people are viewing this. And here you can know, okay, where are people mostly finding you from Facebook, mobile Facebook, so people are using that. How to do, so I'll talk about how you can get like more traffic on other pages. So right now, just look at on-page analytics. Okay. And listen. Okay, I don't suggest you turn on that, but you could. Tracking code. Don't turn this on, period. Do not turn this on. Yeah, don't turn this on. It's a lot. It's gonna take a lot of space. Ooh, this is a funny one. This is a fun one. Heat map, very useful. So basically, heat map, you want to know whether or not your page is loading properly. You want to turn on heat map, and I don't know why it's frozen. Okay, well, it's loading slowly. I think it's because I turn on like YouTube Live. But that's pretty much it. I'm going to turn back to my my homepage to see how it looks like. Welcome, Matt. There you go. Double your traffic. So that's the first thing that people would see when they first come in. So you press no thanks. You go down here. Go down here. Turn on the box. Why? Okay, so that's that. I think I didn't turn on that thing properly. Go into blogging. So we got a share button. We got a lot of share stuff. Okay. So we can tell this got a lot of good stuff in here already. So let's end this session. And then you look at my face instead. And let's see me. All right, you're back here. So what did you think about the tutorial? I basically show you how you can use Sumo, which is the plugin or software to start capturing people's email. You can do a lot of things with it. You can install Google Analytics with this. You can do everything. You can do image sharing, content upgrade, like a whole lot of things that you can do with this. So, like I mentioned in the beginning, if you guys use my affiliate link to download and buy the pro version from this link, I will personally do a personal tutorial with you guys one-on-one, and I'll walk you through it very, very thoroughly. So I'll put the link down below. So if you guys like it, just leave me a comment or give me a 1. share this video. Also, subscribe to my channel. Just right down there. There's a bell button there, or a notification there. Click on that so you can know what I'm going to do next. And once again, thank you for joining me at the Late Night Show with Simon W.I. Huang. I will see you later. Ciao.